Okay guys, so in the last video I have showed you how to create a blog post. In this video I will show you how to create this blog post section in your WordPress page where you can show your post in a grid form. So to create a post grid or blog post section, go to your page. Here first of all I will add a new section. For this I will click on this plus button and I will add a regular section. Now I will add a single row. Now before adding any module, first of all I will click on section and edit this section. Go to section settings, design. In spacing I will add 80 pixels of top and bottom margin. Now I am done with that. Now I will click on the stick button. I will go to row settings. Here I will go to design, spacing, and I will give it bottom padding of 0 pixels. Now click on the stick button. Now I will add a text module. For this I will click on this plus button, search for text module. Now here add your text. I will add blog post. Now I will go to background and I will add this color background. Now I will go to design. In text, first of all I will change the font, so I will select Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase. I will change its color to blue one. Now I will change its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now I will make it center aligned. Now in sizing I will add maximum width of 140 pixels. I will align it to the center. In spacing I will add 8 pixels of top and bottom padding and 15 pixels to the left and right. Now I will go to border and I will add 3 pixels of rounded corners. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and click on this gray plus button. Add another text module. I will select this one. Now add your text here. Now I have selected heading to HTML tag. Now I will go to design, heading text, go to H2. Here first of all I will change the font to Roboto. Now I will make it italic and centered aligned. Now I will add it underline. Now I will change its color to dark black, size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to spacing and here I will add 10 pixels of bottom margin. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. Now have a look on your demo site. Here you can see under button and heading I have added this post grid. So to add a post grid, go back to your page. So for this I will add another row. Select row. Now before adding any module, go to row settings, click on this row button and go to design. Here in sizing I will use custom gutter width. I will enable it and make it 2. Now I will click on the stick button, click on this plus icon and add a blog module. Now here the post count I will make it 3. Now scroll down. Here you have different option to show excerpt or show full content. I will click on show excerpt. Post use post excerpt. I will click on yes. Here I will add excerpt length to 100 words. Now in elements I will show featured image, show read more button, show author, date, all the things except comments count and show pagination. I will disable it. Now I will go to design. At the layout I will select layout to the grid. Now here you can see the post was converted to grid. Now I will go to content, background. So I will enable hover here. For the hover I will select this background color and click on this tick button. Now I will go to design, directly go to title text. Here I will select title text font to Roboto. Now scroll down. Here I will change its color black for the front end and I will enable hover. and white for the background. I will change its size to 20 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to body text. I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will change its color to dark black for the front end and white for the hover. Now I will go to meta text. Here I will also change its font. Now go to color. I will make it dark black for the front view and hover. I will make it white. I will change its size to 12 pixels. Now I will go to read more text. Here I will change its color to dark black. Here I will add Roboto font. I will make it blue for the front view and for the hover I will not select any color. I also make it uppercase. Now go to spacing and add bottom margin and padding of 0 pixels. Now go to border. Here I will add 8 pixels of rounded corners. Now go to advanced. Here in CSS ID and classes, I will add CSS class kh-flag. Now go to custom CSS, scroll down, go to read more button, and I have added this CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. Now I'm done with that, so I will click on this tick button. Now hover over here and click on this plus button and add a code module. Here I will add a CSS code. Here I have added the CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. Now click on this tick button. Now when you hover over it, it will appear like that. I will click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here scroll down to the end of the post. Here you can see you have added blog post grids. When you hover over it, you can see your featured image in background and your text color was changed. If you want to view more, you can click on this button and you can take a look on entire blog like that. That's how you can create blog post section in your WordPress page. In next video, I will show you how to create contact us section. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create full page website with Divi.